Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to adjust the alarm volume on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now on this page, you will find the option of ringtone and alerts. Now to adjust the alarm volume, just increase or decrease the slider over here. And by decreasing the slider, you will decrease the alarm volume. And if you increase the slider, you will increase the volume on your iPhone. And if you want to increase or decrease the alarm volume using the volume buttons, just make sure you enable change with buttons. And by enabling this toggle, you will be able to control the alarm volume using the volume buttons on your iPhone. But remember that this slider also controls the ringtone and the alerts volume. If you decrease this slider, it will not only decrease the alarm volume, it will also decrease the ringtone and the alerts volume. And this is how you can adjust the alarm volume on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.